Yo, what's up? So today we are in Sanur in Pantai Mertasari, and it's so many people because it's Sunday today.
So it is just 5 minutes from our house.
Actually, yeah. And we will explore because it's already the windy season, so it's so many kites around. And also it's the brand new place on the Mertasari Beach. It's like a family park, something like this. And we are curious what is it, so we will explore today's that part of Sanur.
So now it's hot, sunny season in Bali and also windy season. As you see in the sky, there are lots of kites.
Lots of kites, as you can see. Check this out. So it's so many kites, and some of them they are big. Like for example, these boys here.
Oh my god!
So they are taking off the kite. This one, so cool. They chilling around. So the boys taking out the kite, and the kite is like this. It's quite big. Yo, what's up? And they also have a here very long one, very big. Check this out. And here we go. Perfect landing.
Right, so this is the part that is the new one. It's called Taman Inspirasi Musiksiokan. And then I already paid the ticket. So the entrance ticket for the adult actually 10K. Oh, it's still very cheap because it's
still affordable. And here is the river, bridge, doggos. As you can see, the kites, park. And the families. So nice. And the Ganesha over here. If you just have 2 seconds, please to subscribe to our channels The Monkeys by simply pressing the button of subscribe over here and notification bell into all. Thank you so much.
Right, so this park actually with the pine trees, very nice.
Very nice
Yeah,
indeed.
so it is just brand new park, and the guy said it's just open for 3 months. And let's see.
Beautiful. Let's see how is life here. Never been here, by the way. So some people chilling over here. And mostly local people again, but that's good.
Only you Bule here, though.
That's normal thing nowadays. I have to live with that. And that's how it looks. Beautiful weather today, by the way.
Yeah.
There is the harbor. You can go to Nusa Penida sometimes. There's beautiful beach also. Very nice breeze today. Something still under construction over here, like a gazebo. Very nice. And here's gazebos. Probably you can rent them or something, honey. What do you think?
I think so. And this is actually remind us when we were in Gili Air. Yeah, Gili Air or Gili Meno, that exactly they have a resort like this, like wooden resort and facing the ocean. It's exactly like this.
Like this. Very interesting. Also nice car. Kids playing around.
Honey,
Yes.
look.
What's going
that
on?
animal? What? That's camel?
Horses.
No, that's camel and horses.
Oh, holy moly. Yeah, they are camels. Horses and camels. Okay, let's get closer. We will see.
I didn't know that camel exists. I mean that camel can live in Bali, tropical island.
No, they are definitely imported. They are not from Bali. Originally,
2, 3,
they have three camels. Check this out.
4 camels actually.
4 camels, okay, 4 camels. By the way, yeah, check this out.
Some horses as well.
Horses and camels. So this is like a family park. They have the camels, horses, and this is like Sanur Bay overlooking the Serangan Island over there. It's low tide.
There are many boats, there are many ships, there are many catamarans. Actually, right in front of us is Serangan Harbor.
So I think this is good time now to fly drone and show you this area from the bird's eye because it's quite big, and maybe if I'm lucky enough I can fly over the ships over there. They are very nice. Also here when it's low tide there are some fancy trees. There is some photo session, there is the speedboat, and here is the sayang. Very nice. Also nice statues next to the bridge, but you have to cross. Very nice. Alright, and now we are moving into the part of the Mertasari Beach where is there so many people. And today's Sunday. I just want to say something about my last video from Sunday. That was the Monday or Tuesday, I don't remember, but that was the weekday, and now is Sunday. So check this out. So nice over here, and we will see on the beach how it looks. So many happy kids, happy people actually, not only kids. Yes, honey. Very busy. It's definitely much more busier than on my last video. I just would like to notice that. So many people. So my previous video was on the weekday and was busy, and this one is on the weekend, Sunday, and it's more busy. Tennis, ponies for the floaties. So many people in Mertasari Beach. Very nice. And the guy with the floaties and the people over here. Very nice indeed. So basically I could say this is the very optimistic view for the future. Yes, honey?
And Balinese people, because today also full moon, Balinese people also praying.
Yes, over here, as you can see what Winnie said. Because it's full moon, which is very nice. Very nice indeed. This is also quite difficult to catch the action because action today is everywhere. You know what I mean? That's so happy to see that, actually. Really happy. And also here some warungs.
Yeah, some warung also selling some stuff. Very nice.
Yeah, like a street food stuff like this. Sato.
There's some sake.
Always happy to see Sato, right?
Maybe we will have a dinner here.
Maybe we're gonna have a dinner today, yes. Drink Sato again. Even ice cream. Many things. Corn. That's how it is.
Also corn seller. Many
Corn.
things.
So we decide to have a satay because they have a satay tuna, fish, pork, many kind of satay.
Dianya nggak usah pakai sambal. Dia pakai kecap aja. Saya.
Very nice. Where are we gonna sit, honey?
Let's sit here.
Okay, nice. Okay, so our satay arrived with the beautiful soup. Honey is already happy.
So this is how it is, and this costs you around 15k per portion, and with the soup also.
Very nice.
So nice. I think that's all our video today, guys, from Sanur Mertasari Beach area. That's all our video. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow,
Bye.
guys. See ya.
I wanna eat it.
Smacznego, honey.
Selamat makan.
Look at the beautiful sky again over here. And look at the parking area, also busy. That's our chimney, by the way. But so many cars, people going home. Sayang. And sky.